This is our 4-piece pry bar set you can buy from oneaauto.com. A nice metal, it's a nice long metal pry bar with an orange handle, so you can find it when you work on your vehicle. Several different sizes. They come with little protective caps. You can take them off. They're great for prying on suspension parts, engine mounts, anything you need to use a pry bar, and you shouldn't be using a flat-bladed screwdriver. This is definitely a better option, and you can buy these from oneaauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneaauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.